Everyone's asking, Michelle, where'd you put all your shit from your old camper? Well, here it is.
Yeah.
All this is mine. Yeah, this side of the bay. So if you see that side, that's all my father-in-law's tools. But you can see where our suitcases are. All right here, this is all ours. And we've already put a dent in this, and we've already put stuff in the camper already. So, but we're gonna go step by step. We're gonna go in the camper now and start putting stuff away, and then we're gonna come back and get another load and put stuff in there, and then we'll organize and go with it. So let's go. That is dirty dishes. The dog, Lola just ran into the door. I guess she didn't realize that it was Lola. You're Lola. Alright. This little handy drawer in our kitchen by the stove is our spices, where all our spices go. And Christopher is going to hang my spice rack back up for the ones that I use all the time. But this is all for our extras, so we're going to start putting these away. And honestly, we're just going to start putting stuff in cabinets and stuff. And then when we get to Virginia, we'll really like organize and put everything exactly where we want it. So there's no system to this right now. This is where it's going to go, and then we'll have to go back through it. But this is going to be the easiest way just to get everything in here for right now. Just remember that, okay? Me and sister are about to start. We have 2 boxes of seasoning, so we're going to start putting them in here. Sorry.
Just have them in here?
Mm-hmm. And make sure that the bones aren't sticky. There's one that has a sticky bone. Just when you pick them up, just make sure, you know what I mean? Seasonings complete. Slide it back in. For all your like baking sheets and stuff. I love that. My other camera didn't have them. Anyway, we're just gonna start putting this stuff somewhere.
Oh, this one first.
Just pull it out. We're just, like I said, we're not really organizing. We're just starting to put crap in here. Yeah. Oh, my stamps.
Oops.
No.
My face was just said that.
That's a perfect little thing for us.
Okay.
For right now.
I got so many paper towels.
Cause I go to Sam's Club, bro. It makes my life easier. We live on paper towels, paper plates, and plastic forks.
Right down here.
I still got pantry items. I don't know where else to... That will work.
Down here.
Put my bread and cereal up there. That don't make no damn sense.
Yes, it does.
We're all short, bro. Our whole family's short. Nobody can
Put all
reach
the
them.
little bitty ass bottles of spices up there where we can't see them.
No, I already put the spices up. Those are the big ones. These. The ones from Sam's.
You want the big ones?
Yeah.
I better grab that cutting floor floss.
But I what?
We never find them.
I don't know if I'm keeping it there. I'm just trying to put them somewhere right now. Okay? Okay. Leave me alone. Seasoning problem. I have an addiction, and it's not just Stanley Cups. Seasoning.
I thought it was the family
My
cup.
favorite though. Because that one like this paper plates. These are the most important thing probably in this camper. But that and besides
Okay.
this.
Yeah, no problem.
Want to see a cool feature? Watch this shit. So this is like where your utensils go.
I can't see.
Yeah, they can.
No, they can't.
Okay. Okay, let me show you something real fast. You pull that one down, that's where your silverware goes.
Let me do this one.
This one pulls down, and that's where your knives go. Yep. And then over here on the island, you have this drawer where all like your cooking utensils go.
I want to do this
You
one.
close this one now. Okay. And I have a cutting board with a hole, because if you look under here, that's where our trash can goes. So then you can cut.
Chop, chop, chop. Scoop. On.
Fancy! That's fancy shit. That's fancy shit. Super excited. Alright, we got basically all the kitchen stuff all in an area. Put somewhere in a cabinet. That's really nice. And then we realized that my second pantry over here doesn't just stop right there. We didn't pull it all the way out.
Wait,
So actually
you
we
have
have,
to pull it farther?
yeah, we have two big long ones. I thought it was just one, but it's not. Our bad. Okay, so there's that. That's cool. Anyway, I keep saying anyway. I don't know why I keep saying anyway, but we're on to the cleaning supply. We're just putting stuff in cabinets, and then when we get to Virginia, we're gonna go through all the things. But all right, hope you have a good day. We'll catch you later. Bye.